Hey friends, DTLalaland here with Megan. We're over at Test Track for our AP early access of the ride. Our boarding group has been called, so we are on our way. Let's go. Yes, that's what we were saying.
Around the corner, please remain seated with your seatbelt securely fastened and your hands. Welcome, riders. I'll be your guide on today's journey.
And I'm your automated vehicle. Welcome to the Test Track.
We've always been dreaming about the road to tomorrow.
And now, we set a course for the future.
Before we can visualize tomorrow, we have to start by looking at the world of today a little differently.
That's where I can help. Let me show you how I see the world.
By using advanced cameras and sensors, vehicles are constantly scanning the road ahead, helping to prepare us for any surprises. Woo, nicely done.
Surprises, huh? I was built for this.
Tomorrow's roads will be built with technology too, like inductive charging to help keep you powered up.
Smart road activated. Transfer complete.
Smart roads are just the beginning. Imagine being able to customize your vehicle at home.
Can I show them?
Go for it. First, select a new vehicle body.
What about this one?
Good choice. Now let's see how it looks.
Let's try another. That looks good with the third row.
And here's what I think you'll really love.
Oh, I could get used to this.
Now how about we kick back and enjoy the ride?
Sure, it's always fun to be free.
Might have had some twists and turns, but the future is always just around the corner.
And together, we keep moving forward, finding new ways to drive to a brighter tomorrow.
Ready to see what else lies beyond the horizon?
Let's go!
Our test drive might be complete, but just ahead is the vehicle showcase, where you can explore the latest innovations from General Motors. Not to shift gears, but please remember to watch your step and take all of your personal belongings with you as you hit the road. You see what I did there?
I think you should just leave the jokes to me.
Maybe you're right. Thanks for joining us. See you in the future.
So we just got off that ride. I have to say, I actually don't mind that ride. It's much more about the car and what vehicles can do and what our vehicles are going to be able to do in the future. So that makes it really interesting. I, of course, did not love the outside thing going 65 miles an hour where I feel like I was going to lose my beep, but I thought the ride was pretty good. I did miss the make your car thing in the beginning of the ride, but that's what I thought. Megan?
I don't mind it. I liked it. I liked how it showed how our cars are going to benefit the environment later. So I liked it. Same thing as hers, you know. It betters our car for the future.
Yeah, I think a lot of people are going to miss that make your car, you know, so they can compete between the kids and the parents like they used to be able to do. So that I think I'm a little sad about, especially teaching kids about being like fuel efficient and economic and things like that. That part's been taken away. But overall, the speed, I mean, we went 65 miles an hour, and I mean, you're definitely going pretty fast. I will say, if you are a poo-sized person, make sure you stretch out that seatbelt way out and you have somebody help you click that in. But otherwise, on to the next. Don't miss out on the magic. Be sure to hit that subscribe button so you'll be the first to watch our next video featuring the brand new Disney Starlight Dream the Night Away Parade. Trust us, you won't want to miss it. But we've got it all here for you at DTLalaland. Join the magic, live the adventure, and we'll see you at the Disney parks.